Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can remove same word in Excel. Make sure if you have a column where full words or the rows repeated down the list, select the range or column containing the duplicate words and then head to the data tab and on the right side click on the remove duplicates and click on the continues with the current selection and click on the duplicates. Click OK to proceed and 20 duplicate values found and removed. That's all. However, if you have the duplicate numbers along with the name, so how you can remove that? For this, let me undo that. Select the data range. Again, go to the data and click on the remove duplicates and click select all. Click OK and 20 duplicates value found and removed. Only 5 unique values remain. Click OK to proceed and here it is. So this is simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can remove same word in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.